Let's take a look at this week's review questions. Question: what are the different types of genes? Structural genes are those that are responsible for the physical structure of the body. For example, hair, skin color, blood type, and eye shape are all due to the function of structural genes. Regulatory genes are those that are responsible for turning on and off other genes. They regulate the timing of gene activities. For example, regulatory genes determine when large amounts of testosterone and estrogen should be produced, initiating the process of puberty. A special type of regulatory gene is the homonic or Hox gene. These genes are essential in embryological development, determining where the regions of the body should be. Scientists have studied these genes in fruit flies. By purposefully mutating the Hox gene, they have produced flies with legs or eyes in the place of antennae. Question: how does protein synthesis work? Protein synthesis begins with the replication of the nucleus. A segment of DNA is used as a template to form messenger RNA. This segment codes for a particular protein. Once complete, the messenger RNA leaves the nucleus and goes to the ribosomes. At the ribosomes, the messenger RNA is read in a group of 3 nitrogen bases, known as codons. Read one codon at a time, a transfer RNA inserts the amino acid it's carrying into the protein chain, if it has the complementary anticodon. As the next codon is read, a transfer RNA with the complementary anticodon adds the next amino acid to the chain. When a stop codon is reached, the protein is completed and released from the ribosome. What is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? Mitosis is cell division that creates identical somatic cells, each with 2 sets of chromosomes. Consider them paired. Mitosis occurs throughout life, as is used in growth and to replace dead cells. Mitosis is cell division that creates gametes, each with only 1 set of chromosomes, which are unpaired. Mitosis involves 1 DNA duplication followed by 1 cell division. 2 daughter cells are produced from the mitotic division of 1 parent cell. Meiosis involves 1 DNA duplication followed by 2 cell divisions. 4 gamete cells are produced from the mitotic division of 1 parent cell. In males, all 4 of these gamete cells eventually become sperm. In females, however, only 1 of the 4 gamete cells will become a functional ovum. Question: what are the laws of independent assortment and the law of segregation? Mendel's law of independent assortment states that each genetic trait is inherited separately. For example, hair color is inherited separately from eye shape. However, this only applies to genes located on different chromosomes. Those genes located on the same chromosome are said to be linked, because chromosomes are inherited as a unit. You inherit 1 chromosome from each of your mother's pairs and 1 chromosome from each of your father's pairs. Question: what are prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and what is their basic structure? Prokaryotes are organisms that do not have a membrane-bound nucleus containing DNA or other membrane-bound organelles. Its DNA is not organized into chromosomes. Most prokaryotes are unicellular, but some are multicellular. Prokaryotes include bacteria and blue-green algae. Eukaryotes are unicellular and multicellular organisms with a distinct membrane-bound nucleus containing DNA.